right now I have Claude Code open, and I'm going to ask Claude to check accessibility on demo.accesslint.com. This is the production URL for the project that I'm working in. So I've already connected AccessLint MCP. Claude is going to look up the URL, scan it with AccessLint in a browser in the cloud, collect all of the accessibility violations that AccessLint finds, and send them back to Claude to load into context so that I can review them, understand them. I've got some critical issues around alt text, missing labels, a bunch of color contrast issues, and headings, landmarks, and missing table headers. So fix each of these in separate tasks. So sessions. I'm going to spin up a session for each of these. I can take it a step further and add regression tests that monitor production content. Monitor the page and create some realistic interactions to test accessibility. AccessLint publishes other tools besides a single page scan. It also supports defining user journeys as flows. And these flows get monitored on a deploy basis or on a regular schedule. When there's a regression to the flow from a baseline, from the initial run, you get an email. And you can also get a history of the runs through accesslint.com or in your agent session. Okay, so Claude has just asked me to spin up background tasks for adding alt text to static icon images. Yes, please. Label, remove the priority select. Yes, please. So we've got some results back from AccessLint. AccessLint created 4 flows, drafted 4 flows, and each of these flows surfaced structural issues. It found a bunch of controls that were only clickable divs that had no role, tab index, key handler, and were not keyboard operable.